In this video, we are going to resolve this diagnostic message error whenever you're trying to run or using WinRAR to extract files or folders. It might show you any kind of message, like the archive is either in unknown format or damaged, or maybe something else. Let's see how we can resolve this. So first of all, what we can do is just right click here on that particular folder and click on the properties and click on security. Click on advanced and make sure to change the owner. Click on change. Again, click on advanced and click on find now and search for users. Here's users. Click OK and make sure that is selected as a user group, or here click OK, and it should show users as owner. And also just make sure that if any type is shown to deny, just double click on those, change that to allow. Click apply and it will show you that if you just taken the ownership of this object, you will need to close and reopen the object properties before you can change the permissions. That's fine. Click OK and OK. Right click on the program properties again, click on security, click on edit from here, click add, click advanced, find now, and we are going to choose users again. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click OK. Click OK and make sure that you don't only have the read access, you have the full control. Click on apply, click OK and click OK. One thing more, let me just go to the properties again, click on security and make sure for all of these users, it should have all permissions as allowed. So make sure of that. And that's it. After that, when you try to extract this to a particular folder, it shouldn't show you any kind of error in the process. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.